want you guys to just admire this beautiful drive behind this JDM amazingly modified Supra with the pops and bangs. It's too nice. Like you can't ask for more. But yeah, like I told you guys, so what I'm gonna do to this car, I'm about to single turbo it, beat that Supra, beat that AMG behind me. I'm about to beat everybody, you know what I'm saying? Like but yeah, let me know what you guys think of the California car scene. Unfortunately though, the cops are on our ass, like with modifications. Like we can't really do much. So if you don't live in California, you're probably gonna have an easier time modifying stuff. But overall, like it's been so much fun living here. The friends I've made, the car scene that I've, you know, kind of met. As you guys can tell, we're pretty deep. All right, so I see some BMWs going the other direction. Woo! This is a hella nice view, bruh. This is what you imagine California to be like right here. In a Z, speeding through the canyon. I heard that from the Supra. I want to kind of talk less and let you guys just enjoy this drive here, but I mean it's been so fun so far, like, and it's only just starting. Wow, this car can handle so well with the coilovers. Making all the noise in the world. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to fill up pretty soon. I want to be kind of careful. I don't know if there's any gas stations up here. Okay, we're probably, I don't want to run out of gas, bro. This is bad. I should have filled up. Oh, Lamborghini! That's a Lamborghini Huracan Performante, baby. God damn! So the Supra in front of me is the guy who set up the meet. That's the guy, that's the GOAT himself, you know what I mean? Another Porsche, hell yeah. I don't know if this guy realizes that the whole squad behind us is gone. Somebody's caught up. Alright, they're back. I don't know what happened. I kind of feel like it's my homeboy in the AMG, but for some reason he pulled over. Let me see if he's texting. Not really. Still behind the Supra. Doesn't get better than this right here, bro. In a Z with pops and bangs behind the Supra. I probably should stop because of the gas situation. I mean, there's no shot we're gonna waste more than this. Bro, I didn't know that it was this long. Like, as you keep going, you way up the canyon and the hill. Like, this is crazy, bruh. It's so deep. My GoPro's about to die, my car running out of gas. Whee! I'm the only one actually making noise, which is kind of funny. Nobody else making noise, bro. Bro, please tell me to the gas station, man. Please. Come on, bro.
Sorry.
This is so scuffed.
Sounds clean, bro. I was right behind you the entire time.
The pops, right? Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Hey, no one else was popping. What's going on, bro?
I could do a little bit, but like it's like going downhill, you know. I gotta. Did you rev it?
Alright, take it. Thank you. It goes louder, but I'm scared of the guy. Hell yeah, brother. It doesn't get better than this. Woo-hoo-hoo! This is too fun, bro. Just paddling my way through. No clutch, nothing. I need to lose this guy so I can kind of like go a little bit higher speed and hopefully like gun it. I want to see what this car can do.